Hello library families! Miss Laura here from the Innisfil ID Lab and Library with another Wacky Craft Wednesday. Today we're going to make a woven bowl from the Happy Hooligans website. The materials you need for this craft are a paper plate, something to write with, scissors, some yarn, and some glue. To start, we're going to draw a circle in the middle of our paper plate. This will be the base of the bowl. Next, we're going to make an uneven amount of marks around the edge of the plate, as evenly spaced as we can. It needs to be uneven so the yarn goes back and forth around each section rather than around the same section each time. Next, we're going to cut a little V shape around each of these marks. Fold each section in towards the inner circle to form your bowl. And now we can begin weaving. Leave a little tail at the beginning. This can be tucked in after. We're going to weave in and out around each section, occasionally stopping to move the yarn close together if needed. Try to keep the sections of your bowl folded upward as you weave. If you flatten them down, you will have more of a plate than a bowl. You can use color-changing yarn for a fun effect, or change to a new color by cutting your yarn and tying a new one on. Again, leave a tail that can be tucked in later. Stop weaving about 1/8 of an inch away from the top of the bowl. Cut your yarn and tuck the tail in. Fold the remaining top edge of each section down and crease firmly to create the bowl's rim and to ensure your weaving doesn't slip off the top of the bowl. For the inside, add some glue and use a long strand of yarn to create a spiral to cover the base of the bowl. To finish, tuck in any loose ends of yarn using your finger or a pencil. You could also glue and paint the edges to match the yarn, but now your woven bowl is complete and you can store your trinkets and treasures in it. We would love for you to share your crafts with us by tagging us on social media or by emailing me at ljeffery@innisfilidlab.ca. Hope to see you all soon. Take care.